This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura RDX. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a turbocharger, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, the AcuraLink satellite communication system with real-time traffic and real-time weather, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Thank you for considering Greenwich Acura for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. We are the tri-state area's only Precision Team Elite dealer. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located in Greenwich, Connecticut at 343 West Putnam Avenue, just minutes from the Connecticut Turnpike. We look forward to serving you.